room tour. Queen size bed. Ayan, may lamp tayo. Conditioner. Table. Office table. Ref. Flat screen TV. Ayan. This is the bathroom. So this is our cabinets with the laundry bag, shoe, ano yan, slippers. Weekend holiday for us. Ayan. With store visits or work, sabi ni Cathy.